Hello everyone, Ollie the repair dude is here again. In the tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to generate and extract ic-info.sisv file using Sonic 14 untetheredNoCall 2 and Sliver 6.1. I am also showing you how to upgrade your activation folder that is from Sliver 4.4 to 5.3 format to Sliver 5.4 to 6.1 format in this updated tutorial with Sliver 6.1. First, make sure you still have your activation file from Sliver 4.4 to 5.3. As you can see, I have my activation folder from Sliver 4.4. I open it to show you. For those with that activation folder still on the desktop, move it to the Documents folder. Open Finder, go to Documents, move that activation folder to the Documents folder. Once done, jailbreak your device. Go to Application, check rain, and jailbreak your device. Okay, the jailbreak is complete. The next step is to use FixMate to erase the device. Close check rain, open FixMate, click erase device, click yes, and wait for the device to be prepared for erase. Okay, I get device has been successfully erased. Allow the phone to erase. You can now click OK and close FixMate and allow the iPhone to load. Okay, the device in the hello screen, I'll set up device off camera. Now I'm done setting up the device off camera. Let it go to the activation lock screen. Now it's on the activation lock screen. The next step is to run check rain jailbreak again. Once the jailbreak is complete, you can now close check rain and allow the phone to load to the hello screen. The next step is to go to Sonic's 14 website, register, pay, and download the untetheredNoCall service tool. Go to Safari, go to Sonic 14 tab, go to untetheredNoCall service, enter your serial number and click Buy Now with PayPal and follow the payment instructions. After which, click the untethered 1.2 to download the tool and move that tool to the applications folder. I already registered the serial number previously and paid for it and already downloaded the latest tool. I'll close Safari now, open Finder, application, go to the tool I download install, which is untether. If you get this, click don't reopen, click activate device and wait. If you get this, click OK and reopen untethered and click activate device again. I'm trying again, and now I get successfully activated. This may take a few attempts. So click OK and set up the device. Once you're done setting up your device, you can now go to Sliver 6.1. Allow it to verify if you install it for the first time. Click open. Once you get that, click full passcode bypass. Click passcode iOS 12-14. Click continue. Click backup files. Click yes. Click OK. And wait. Once you get this, you can close by clicking OK. Open activation folder. You can delete activation record, com.apple.com/whatever, move to trash, and dataart.plist, move to trash as well. Now go to Fair Play, iTunes, Control, iTunes, and there you have it, the ic-info.sisv file. Now we can proceed to the upgrade part, which is to upgrade the activation folder from the Sliver 4.4 to 5.3 format to the Sliver 5.4 to 6.1 format. Go to Documents folder or whatever folder you save your activation folder at, which is your old activation folder. Go to Library, Activation Records. Copy the activation record.plist from your old activation folder to the new activation folder. Copy, go back, iTunes, Control, go back to the family folder, then go back again, paste at the activation folder. Then go to internal, copy data.plist, paste into the activation folder. Finally, go to preference, search for the com.apple.com/device-specific-no-backup.plist, copy and paste to the activation folder. Once done, you can close your old activation folder and the new activation folder. Then go back to Finder, Application, go to FixMate again, click Erase Device, click Yes, and allow it to erase your device again. Click OK. You can now you can close your FixMate. Okay, now the device on the header screen, I'll be setting up this phone off camera. Now let it go to the activation lock screen. Now the next step is to check and jailbreak the device again. Okay, it's now done. Click done, close checkra. Now return to Sliver. Click relay device info. Follow the instruction on the terminal. On the dialog, go to terminal, chmod -r755 spacebar, drag and drop the activation folder, hit enter, and close terminal, click done with that, click yes, click on it, and finally click activate iDevice. And get process complete. Now power off the device. And power on the device again. And wait. You can now click dismiss. Now set up the device. And boom! Now okay, the data and privacy page. Continue setup. Okay, it is now done. I will insert my SIM card to test. No service now. Searching. Giga. Time for me to test call. Call the StarHub customer service.
Welcome to StarHub customer.
It works. Now I will turn off Wi-Fi to access data. Loading google.com.sg, it works. Time for me to sign into iCloud. I'll do this off camera. Alright, I sign in to my iCloud. Let's test FaceTime. And look, FaceTime is working. I really hope that you enjoy and you find my tutorials useful. Please do like, share and comment on my video. Please subscribe to my channel and please do donate. The link to donate is in the description below, and see you in the next video.